Welcome to Study Loop.
Our question is split into two parts. First, it wants us to figure out how many times on average a human heart will beat during a lifetime and how many gallons of blood that pumps, considering each pump is 50 cubic centimeters of blood. So first, let's figure out the number of beats per lifetime, which we're going to call N. And we're going to start out by considering the fact that the human heart beats 72 times a minute. So if there are 72 beats per minute, then we can figure out how many beats there are per year if we know that there are 72 beats per minute. And then we can use the fact that each person lives on average to be about 70 years old to figure the average number of beats per lifetime. So 72 beats per minute. There are obviously 60 minutes per hour. So now we're in beats per hour. Then there are, of course, 24 hours in a day. So we're in beats per day. And then 365.25 days per year. That's days per year. So now we're in beats per year, and we just have to multiply it by the average human lifetime, which is about 70 years or so. And you carry this out and you get approximately the number of beats in a lifetime. And so we find that this is approximately equal to 3 times 10 to the 9. And that would be the number of heartbeats in an average human lifetime. So 3 times 10 to the 9 beats. Now that we know the number of heartbeats in a human lifetime, we can use that to calculate the number of gallons of blood, or the volume, V, that is pumped. It's equal to the number of heartbeats per lifetime multiplied by the fact that there are about 50 cubic centimeters of blood for every beat. So this is per beat. So now we're in units of cubic centimeters, but we want units of gallons, so we have to convert to gallons. To do that, we consider the fact that there are about 0.000264 gallons, which we'll abbreviate as GAL, for every 1 cubic centimeter. So that conversion will get us into gallons. So we carry out this operation, we multiply N by 50 and then by 0.000264, and we find that the volume of blood that's pumped is about, we'll use approximately equal to 4 times 10 to the 7. And the units here would be gallons. We can box that in as our final solution to the question.